Welcome back to Wurst Gaming Studio, everyone. Today, we've just wrapped up the items and magic submenus for our game menu. Dev, can you tell us what's next for getting the rest of the game menu up and running?
Sure thing. I had to dive into some technical tweaks. Specifically, I adjusted our if statement conditions to gracefully handle empty strings. The old equal sign and is not equal to sign checks were tripping up on empty values, so I reworked them and moved all the say commands into our main game action loop. It streamlined our dialogue output and made debugging a whole lot smoother.
Great work on that technical overhaul. Now I'm lining up some clips to show off the fully functional items and magic menus. Before we cue those clips, tell me, how's the debugging going on your end?
I added more checks for it pose and property names.
Sounds like even your typos are part of the show. Let's get those clips rolling and keep this momentum going. First up, watch as we use the heal item on one of our party members. Notice how the selection process takes a few deliberate steps before the backend executes the healing action. Impressive, right? Dev, can you break down what's happening under the hood here? The selection process, the multi-step backend action. What's the magic behind it all?
Beyond simply selecting a party member, both the heal and cure actions involve extra layers. I refactored the code so that every interactable, menus, dialogue windows, you name it, is created and managed in the main scene loop. This ensures that when the last menu closes, the focus isn't broken, and the overall user experience remains seamless.
So the main scene loop is really acting as our central hub for all these interactive elements, ensuring a smooth transition between different menus and dialogue windows. Got it. Now, check out the next clip. Here, the white mage uses cure on a party member. Again, it's a multi-step process with some intricate back-end handling. That clip really highlights the fluidity of our system. Dev, with all these interactables running through the main loop, how does this approach help maintain focus and stability during gameplay?
By centralizing everything in the main scene loop, we guarantee that even as menus and dialogue windows open and close, the system maintains a consistent focus. This prevents any unexpected interruptions or loss of control when transitioning between different game actions. It's been a key part of keeping the interface intuitive and robust.
Excellent. It sounds like integrating interactables in this way not only smooths out the user experience, but also simplifies debugging. Well, that's a wrap for today's session at Wurst Gaming Studio. Thanks for the deep dive, Dev, and for showing us the magic behind both the heal and cure actions.
Thanks, Wurst AI. It's been a great update session. Looking forward to pushing this even further in our next round of tweaks.
And there you have it, folks. Another milestone in our game's development, with a seamless game menu and intricate action handling lighting the way forward. Stay tuned for more updates and behind-the-scenes insights. Until next time, keep coding, keep gaming, and keep pushing the boundaries. Wurst AI signing off from Wurst Gaming Studio.